Okay, so I have made some significant progress since the last video I put up on this project. What we got going here is I have completely removed every splinter of wood I can possibly remove with a chisel, and go ahead and grind over those surfaces that are still fiber. I have cut all of the stringers that I need. This is my transom piece I'm about to bond together with this Bondilite. Works really well for that. I've cut up a few smaller pieces here and there that will fill some voids that are beyond the larger pieces that I've cut out, to kind of separate the sections that I'm repairing from, some of these other stringers that are unreachable definitely have some moisture, so I'm giving myself a gap between those. I'm going to bond, like in here, I've cut away a good 5 inches or so of this old wood inside that's a little bit damp and hit it with a heat gun, and I'm going to go ahead and bond that inside there, and that'll separate essentially any moisture that may come from that area, and that basically counts the same for these other spots on the side. I'll jam these pieces inside there, bond them in and seal them in before I do the main piece. And if there's any issues with moisture where there's no drying and that kind of thing, at least I'm not I can remedy it easily with these small pieces. Kind of a test, I guess you could say. So, and I've also gone ahead and cut these other the motor mounts here out. Those are outside on the, you can see those out here. Got those all set up. I got to grind those down and kind of round them up a bit, and then bring those in, bond those in too. But I'm going to start with these other pieces, like I said, these where the small voids are, and also there's a square that I cut out under the deck that I'll have to close in under this stringer. So I'll do that first. I'll start with the deck underneath and put in these smaller pieces, wait for that to dry, and then start with these larger sections after that. So I don't know, that's where I'm at. And I don't feel any need to video Bondo and that kind of thing, but you kind of get the process.